Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can create a new account on Salesforce. For the CRM requirement, you may create this Salesforce account for using this application. And when you log in to the salesforce.com for the first time, means when you browse through this is what you'll see. When you browse through salesforce.com, you'll see option like start free trial or try it for free. uh, Either the option, whichever you click, you will see this account registration page where you need to enter your details like contact number, your first name and last name, your email id, your company name, etc. I'll show you. So this is the form you need to fill. So you can fill with the appropriate names here. Okay, job title you can give. So once you fill all these details, when you read their agreement with the terms of service, if you're okay with that, if you can click on this checkbox so that you are agreeing to the terms and conditions, and when you scroll down, you need to click on the submit, then you'll receive an email. Yeah, so when you click on the start my free trial, you'll receive an email. In that email, you need to find that email in your inbox and click on activate my email. Then there will be a chance to create a new password for your account. Your account ID name, means your username, also will be provided in the email only, remember. Okay, so you need to copy that email ID and then click on verify email, then enter the new password.